Okay, question 18. The table shows the 400-meter relay times for 4 teams on the Olympics. Okay, so you're looking at the scores in seconds. So China had 38.319, Netherlands had 18.291, Australia had 38.178, and the United States had 37.042. As I told you before, the reason why the thousands, the place values on this side of the decimal is that it's a matter of winning a gold or not. So in this case, this is very important for the teams. The answer, or the question says, Andrew was on the team whose time rounds to 38.3 when rounded to the nearest tenth, and to 38.32 when rounded to the nearest hundredths. On which team did Andrew run the Olympics? So you need to do each one. You need to round to the tenths first, and then you're going to round to the hundredths. So let's look at this one. So you're going to do the tenths first on every one of them. So you have a 1. That's your effector, which is your right next door neighbor. So the 1, and you apply the rule. Is that a 1? Is that 4 or less? Leave it alone. 5 or more, go up 1. So that is leave it alone. So in that case, it's going to be 38.3, which matches here. So it fits the first part. Now let's look at the hundredths. So in that case, you're looking at the hundredths, which is the 1, and so your effector. So that 9 will affect it and will cause it to go up by 1. So therefore, it will be 32. So it'll be 38.32. In this case, it does fit. So the very first answer fits. Let's rule out the rest of them just by looking at them. So you have the effector here of 9, which means that's going to go to 38.3. That's correct. And you have your effector here of 1, which means that's going to go up to 30. So that's false. This one here, your effector is, your 1 is your tenth. Your effector is 7, so that would cause 38.2. So that is wrong. This one, your first tenths is 0. Your effector is 4. It is not. It's 4 or less, so you leave it alone. So your answer is 37.0, which is incorrect. Your answer choice is A.